Since 2018, Beehive Drones has been at the forefront of innovations, crafting drones that empower industries and transform operation for a better, more efficient future, completed key missions driving efficiency across industries. Introducing our flagship, the Beehive BVD V25, an electric VTOL drone with a flight time of up to 90 minutes and a range of 90 km. Equipped with a high-resolution camera for live streaming, it's perfect for wide area surveillance and security missions, ensuring precision, safety, and speed in every operation. Our latest innovations, the BVD M16A, is Indonesian first maritime drones specifically designed to monitor and detect ship emissions in port areas. Featuring thermal and RGB cameras, a leader rangefinder for obstacle avoidance, and a floater system that allows the drones to float on water. The BVD M16A provides exceptional visibility and flexibility in any condition. Introducing the BVD F11, a fixed-wing mapping drone designed for fast coverage and exceptional time efficiency. With up to 40 minutes of flight time, it seamlessly navigates large area, delivering accurate mapping data for smarter, more informed decisions. BVD V25 VTOL mapping is a breakthrough in mapping technology, combining the flexibility of vertical takeoff with the efficiency of fixed-wing mapping. With 50 minutes of flight time and a mapping coverage of 300 hectares, it reached the most challenging areas, delivering accurate, detailed maps for every mission. Beehive Drones, redefining the possibilities.